And I think dito mo malalaman how people or ano yung values ng tao.
The bookstore is completely untouched. This is ridiculous. Am I even making it up?
So sabi dito, in Iraq, books are left outside in the market overnight. People believe that a reader doesn't steal and a thief doesn't read. I so agree with this because a lot of the thieves in our government sobrang bobo. Kaya yung mga batas na ginagawa nila pang mga bobo, and in effect naman yung mga tao kinakain yung suka ng mga politiko na binoto nila. Now, imagine this, if people turned to knowledge instead of the petty things na pinag-uubusan natin ng ating precious time. Yung pagbili ng mga walang kwentang bagay tulad ng parts ng motor na hindi mo naman kailangan, tulad ng mga damit na gusto mo lang ipangyabang, mga alahas, 'di ba? Mga latte na hindi mo naman ma-afford. Those things. What if pinalitan natin siya ng knowledge na kung saan pwede nating magamit ito to be of service to other people, to solve problems? I think hindi na natin kailangan magnakaw if ganun yung mindset natin, because we are capable of resolving problems without being dependent sa ibang tao up to the point na kailangan natin silang nakawan. Hindi na natin kailangan magnakaw kung tayo mismo kayang tumulong sa pagresolba doon sa problema. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.